Hello everyone, welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and today in this video I am going to review this plugin Noted, which is a fairly new plugin in WordPress which lets you add notes on your WordPress dashboard. So this is developed by Kyle from the admin bar and they have done a good job. So this is a completely lightweight plugin and you can add notes inside your WordPress dashboard. So let's install this plugin and what are the features you will get on this plugin. So let's discuss that. And before that, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. So as you can see that it is updated 4 days ago and the version is 1.0. So this is a completely new plugin and it has currently 90 plus active installation. So let's install this plugin Noted. So for this I will go to my WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and I will click on add new plugin. Now I can simply search for Noted and here you will find this plugin Noted by Kyle. So let me install this and let me activate that. And once you add this plugin to your dashboard, you will see that there is no settings page and nothing. So it is completely lightweight. All you have to do is just click on this Noted in the admin bar and you will see a note panel like this. So you can add your note. So you can add your note like this. So let me add a title for this note and then I can add my description. So I can add my description here. Now you can click on add note and it will add a note like this and you can click on here and you can see the description here. So you can click on here and it will gone. So you can access that by clicking on this button, or you can go to the front end and also access this note from the front end. Just click on the admin bar. So this is only available to admin. So you can see all your notes and you can click on edit or you can delete that as well. Or you can also access it from the post page. So let me click on here and let me click on edit post. And here on this edit page, all you have to do is click on this 3-dot icon and here you will see this option Noted. Just click on here and you can also access the same note from the post editor page. So you can click on edit and change your description, or you can delete that as well. So you can click on here delete and it will be deleted from here. So here you will add different type of formatting options. So let me add like note 2 and I can add a heading, like I will type hash and I can add this is a heading 1, and if you want to h2 then you can add double hash and this is heading 2, and let me click on add note. And when you click on this you will see that there is h1 tag and h2 tag added here. I can add more elements, so I will click on here and I can add a paragraph with bold letters. So if you want to add bold letters, you can add double star here and you can type your text and close that with double star and it will add a bold text. You can also do the same for italics. All you have to do is add underscore and you can add italics and you can close that with underscore. Let me click on save here. And here as you can see that we have bold text and italic text. You can also add list, bullet list. So for this all you have to do is add dash and you can add like list 1 and let hit enter, add dash, list 2, list 3 like this, and let me click on save. And here as you can see that we have bullet list. So in the same way you can add number list as well. So let me click on here, let me remove that and let me add number list. So I will type 1 dot and list 1 and 2 dot list 2 like this. So you can add number list as well like this. Now let me click on save. And as you can see that we have number list. So this is how you can add notes and remember your project notes or remember anything which you can use that later. So suppose you want to do any changes later this year, then you can add a note here and you can always remember that this is the task you need to perform. So this is like a to-do list in your WordPress dashboard. So this is completely free plugin and it is completely lightweight and you can use it to store multiple nodes. So you can add like node 2 and you can add your links as well. So let me add links like this. Suppose I want to add my Telegram link here, and it will automatically detect this is a link and it will add that link here. So you can click on that link. So there are multiple ways you can customize your notes and shape it like this. So you can always access it from your WordPress dashboard. So let me go back to the dashboard, click on Noted, and you will see all of your notes are listed here. So this is completely new plugin, and you will find a little bit of bugs on this plugin, but it will be updated in later version. But I definitely recommend you should use this note plugin, which is completely free, and I will include the download link in the description. And I congratulate Kyle for making this amazing free plugin for WordPress community. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button and let me know what are your thoughts and what are the improvements you need to see on this plugin in the comment section as well. So I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.